Hey there guys, and today we are going to be talking about the SPL-290X desktop calculator. Yes, this is made by the Staples company, and I like this calculator a lot. I've used this for a long time, and it does just about everything. Yeah, it's actually a solar-powered calculator, and one of the nice things really about this is it's solar powered, but it has a backup battery inside just for in case you're in like low light and you really still need to use it. It's like a backup, and it's solar powered also, so that's really good. It's a big calculator. That's kind of one of the downsides about it. I mean, you could travel with it. I mean, it's very flat, but usually, like, if you're going to travel, you have something very small as far as calculator, or you're going to use your cell phone. This is for your desktop. It is mainly for that. And if you're going to use it on your desktop, it's very good. Okay. It has across here on the top, it has a 12-digit display. Now, 12 digits is a lot all the way across. So it makes, that 12 digits makes tax and receipt calculations very, very easy. Makes it a breeze to go through. Like if you're doing your taxes and you're calculating like receipts and things that you're trying to, tally up, and you got 12 digits going across, it really, really makes for good calculations. And it's a really good calculator. I like it a lot. This is good for a home, school, or office, mainly in the office. I use it on my desk all the time at my job, and I'm tapping away constantly, figuring out numbers and stuff, and it never lets me down, really. It has a really nice auto off function, so if you leave it, you don't use it for a while, it will shut off automatically. It's nice, so it has a nice display, and also it has like a back button. That's that there, which is nice. I'm not used to really seeing that often on calculators. And it has these special tax buttons on here. Now you see these tax buttons here, and it's great. It figures out taxes for you, and it's just really good for homeowners and families that need their finances done when they have these automatic buttons here. You see that's display here. Cost, tax plus, tax minus, and the rate and everything. It's really good. And this is the solar part. Yeah, I like it a lot. Yeah, it's really good. Really good calculator. I really, really get a kick out of the fact that I got this as a gift. And this is actually my second one, and I'll tell you why. This is kind of the downside of this calculator, that it took a long time to deal, and this is something that happens to a lot of digital displays. Like, this is the new one. I don't have the old one anymore, but see, like on the 5 here, that 5, that part that's going down, like there where my finger is, would be gone. It would not. It would be like a big space right there. So it would just look like a floating line on the top and this backwards C at the bottom for the 5. My last one I had that was just like this had that problem, but it took a long time to get it to that state. I had it for years, and then I thought it had something to do with it not being charged with the light or something, but it just never came back. Even if I took it outside and charged it in the sunlight, it just never worked again. It was just on the number 5, and That's just how it was, you know. But it took years for it to actually happen like that. But other than that, I have no qualms about this. This is a very, very, very good calculator as far as tallying up everything that you would need to use or to do. You know, good for taxes, good for calculating receipts and getting your bills together. Small businesses will get a kick out of it. Yeah, it's a really good calculator. I like it a lot. It's just a little big, but it does what it's supposed to do. All right. That's the SPL-290X desktop calculator. All right, by the Staples Company. All right. All right, guys. Hopefully you use this information, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.